Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you, and of course if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. And if you haven't already joined the Kwak fam, then just might as well start now. Click on that subscribe button, tap on that notification bell, get notified, become part of the family. Why not? Alright, so today we're doing this look right here, and I'm gonna call this my spring look, but for the night. Going out glam spring look. It has like, a little bit of like yellow, brightness, so yellow springy look, but still kind of like a more like a dark look with the red. You know what I mean? So I call it the nighttime glam spring look. Is that title too long? I don't know. But this is the look we came up with, and if you are curious or interested in how we got this look, without further ado, let's just start the video. Okay, so I kind of skipped ahead and did my brows and already primed my lids. So we're going to jump straight into the eyes. And I'm picking up my e.l.f. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette in Summer Breeze. And they have these different eyeshadow colors right there. So, picking up like of course, a bone color, whatever color you want. Just basically a skin tone color of your choice. And sweeping that just all over the lid. Now we're going to take a crease color and, alright, so dipping into my hazelnut, placing that right where my crease is, and just blending that out, buffing that in, making it look seamless. Now we're taking the Jack & Hill Morphe palette and picking up this color right here. And we're going to work that right into the outer third of our eyes. Just like that. And then like any parts that's, harsh or whatever, just go back with like a fluffy, clean brush or the brush you used earlier that you picked up from the Latte palette. And just kind of blend it out a little bit. And that should do the trick. Alright. And when I do this, for me personally, I use a very light hand. Because I want to kind of like keep the color and pigmentation on my lid. But, I do want to blend it out at the same time. So, hopefully that makes sense. Alright, now, I'm going to go in and going to create a cut crease look. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow base, but before I do that, let's use a concealer. So I'm using my Age Rewind, but use whatever concealer you want, and I'm going to place that right there. And then I'm just going to just kind of shape that concealer a little bit more nicely. Okay, next I'm going to take my NYX eyeshadow base in white, which is that right there. It's just a cream eyeshadow base. And I'm going to apply that right on top of the concealer that I just placed on using a dabbing motion. And then again, going back in and trying to like make that look pretty. Okay, now we're going in with the yellow. And the yellow I chose is from this Smashbox palette. And it's their Smashbox palette collection in Bold Eyes. And this yellow is called Bolt. Yes, called Bolt. So, I'm just gonna pick that yellow up right on my fingers and dab that right on top of that white area that I placed on, like so. And then you can just go in using a brush to kind of make it look a little bit more precise, like so. Alright, so before I move on with more of the yellow part, I kind of feel like the red cut crease I did, or the red crease I did using the Jack & Hill palette, it's kind of not as intense as I want it to be. So I'm going to go back in, same color from the JH palette, and I'm going to just kind of intensify that red like that. Alright, so far I think I like it. Okay, now we can do the yellow more, and I want to put some glitter on. So which glitter should I use? And I'll be using the uh, Smoldering Satin glitter from the Stila. You know what? I want to use a different glitter. Let's use Kitten Karma instead. We're just gonna, oh, we'll use the brush. Brush that on top of the yellow. Maybe even pick up some of this Milani Sun Glow Luminance. Pick some of that up on my finger. Oh, I think that kind of covers up the yellow. Well, you can kind of see it. It's not too bad, I guess. So you still kind of get that yellow peeking through, but it's not like all the way through, I guess. So yeah, it works. Why not? Makeup is makeup. Alright, so I went ahead and completed my eye look, and now we're going to go in and do our face. And I'm using the Tarte foundation. This is the lid. Very dirty, I know. This is definitely not my color, but we're just gonna pretend that it is and make it work, alright? Because if I'm being honest, I'm washing this off anyway. And sometimes, even if it's not your color, you can kind of make it work because if you blend it down to your neck, you know what I mean? Alright, so I went ahead and placed on my concealer, and now I'm just gonna set that with the Airspun powder. And just kind of place that right under my eye, like so. And even set my whole face. Well, why not? Alright. And leave that on just for a few minutes. Not even minutes, like a couple seconds, I guess. It depends. I feel like because I have dry skin, the longer I leave it on, like it might make it too dry. So, but I do want to have like that nice velvety finish, which is why I'm doing this. Alright, so leave that on for a little bit. Not too long. Get my brush ready. I'm using the Terre Mere Organic Vegan Brush. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, so this seems long enough. Brush all that off. Alright, now I'm going to bronze my face up a little bit. And I'm using the Butter Bronzer. So we're going to just bronze up certain parts of our face. You want to kind of bronze up this spot right here. Just all around. I kind of feel like I'm contouring. I'm not really good at contouring. I don't really contour, to be honest. But why not try it out? And then kind of bronze coming down like so. Bronze like so. Bronze like so. And then using a brush a little bit bigger than that, kind of blend that all in, I guess. I felt like my hair was getting in the way, so I had to put my cat ears on. Alright, now for the blush, I'm actually going to use a highlight, the Wet n Wild Botanic Dream, and kind of place that as a highlight slash blush. I feel like it's pink enough to do that and I can get away with it. And then to add a little bit more highlight, where's my brush? Take the Milani we used earlier on our eyelids and place that on our cheekbones. Double the highlight. And then for my lips, I'm just going to go in with a simple Ulta Super Shiny Lip Gloss. And then you can go ahead and set your face, and then pretty much you're done. And this is the finished look. This is my glam spring look, but for the night if you're going out. That's what I'll call it. The nighttime glam spring look. So this is the look I came up with, and I think I did a pretty good job. Alright, so if you like videos like this where I do... Oh, let me show you a close-up first of all. So, close-up shot of the eyes, because that's pretty much what the tutorial is about. Not so much like the face part, I feel like. So, here's what the eyes look like. And... Alright, there you go. A little close-up shot. I think I did a pretty good job. And basically, if you like videos like this where I do, you know, different makeup looks, then go ahead and click that like button down below, indicating that you do like this video. Like the video because you like the video, you know. And don't forget to subscribe, tap on the notification bell. Now, you want to click on the bell because basically the way YouTube works is they pretty much show videos of what they want you to see and videos that you've been watching a lot of, but at the same time they don't put out videos that you, even though you're subscribed to them, they don't really put that out on your home page or main page, if that makes sense. So if you tap on the bell, all it does is just, it tells you that I posted a video, so you know to watch it. That's all it does. It's not like, you know, you're going to be charged for anything. So tap on the bell, subscribe, and like the video. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye.